In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACD indicator in MetaTrader 5. If you want to analyze momentum and trend changes more effectively, the MACD is one of the most widely used indicators available. The good news is that MetaTrader 5 already includes it, so adding it to your chart only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, open your MetaTrader 5 platform. Make sure you're on the chart where you want to use the indicator, since MACD will be added directly to the active chart window. If you're working with multiple charts, it's a good idea to click on the correct one first so the indicator is applied exactly where you want it. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu is where you'll find tools, objects, and built-in indicators that can be added to your chart. If you're new to the platform, this is a useful section to become familiar with because many of the most common charting features are located here. After clicking Insert, move your cursor over indicators and then over oscillators. MetaTrader groups indicators by type, and MACD is classified as an oscillator. Taking this path helps you quickly narrow down the list instead of scrolling through every available indicator. From the drop-down list, select MACD. As soon as you click it, a settings window will appear. This is where you can customize how the indicator behaves before applying it to your chart. In the pop-up window, adjust the indicator settings if needed. You'll usually see options like fast EMA, slow EMA, and MACD SMA. These values control how sensitive the MACD is to price movement. If you already have a preferred setup based on your trading strategy, enter those values here. If not, the default settings are often a perfectly fine place to start, especially if you're just learning how the indicator works. You may also notice visual options for colors or display style, which can help make the chart easier to read. When everything looks good, click OK to apply it. MetaTrader 5 will then place the MACD in a separate panel below your main chart. From there, you can begin using it to monitor momentum, crossovers, and potential trend shifts. And that's it. You've successfully added the MACD indicator in MetaTrader 5.